Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to check out how to turn your videos into animation using AI tools. If you are new, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you simple steps to get it done. Let's get started. Step 1. Go Enhance. Open your browser and go to Google. Search for Go Enhance and click on the first link. Click Try Go Enhance for free to start. Upload the video you want to convert. File size must be less than 30 megabytes and the video should be no longer than 5 seconds. Once uploaded, choose an animation style. I'll select Anime Style 2. Click Generate to process the video. After a few seconds, your animated video will be ready. Click Download to save your video. If you're not happy with the result, click Regenerate to try again. Free version limitations. You get 45 tokens per month, and each 5-second video costs 25 tokens. If you need more, consider upgrading your plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye.